Live better and longer with the Fitzness Show, hosted by fitness expert, author, and TV personality Fitz Kohler. She'll tell you why diets are dumb, supplements are snake oil, and the truth about how you can earn a lean, hard, pain-free, and athletic body. Now for our favorite bossy blonde, Fitz Kohler.
It's a little poke in the chest.
Well, hi, team. I'm Fitz Kohler, your super bossy fitness pro from fitzness.com. And welcome to the Fitzness Show. Today's just a poke, a teeny little episode to get you to do better and be better and work harder. That's right. Today, we're going to talk about working hard because I'm not convinced everybody is working to their capability. In fact, I have a friend who I see at the gym who just kind of roams around, picks up a weight, does a few things, moves on, a little bit aimless, definitely not challenging his body, definitely not going to get him anywhere fantastic. And here's the thing. I want you to get somewhere fantastic. Wherever you are now, there is a version of you that is far more fantastic. Are we aiming for greatness? Hell yeah. Now, am I aiming when I run to be like Usain Bolt? No. But am I aiming to be a much more competent runner than I am, the best runner that Fitz Kohler can be? Hell yes. In fact, when I pick up a dumbbell, I am trying. Man, you have no idea how hard I work with strength training because I want to be better. I want to be stronger. I want my muscles to be bulbous and defined. And I want to walk into a room and someone to say, hot damn, she's fit. I want my lungs to be so freaking powerful that I can go from Florida to Utah or Colorado. And when I stand on the top of those mountains, I don't suck wind because the elevation is no match against me. So what does that mean for you? It means have a freaking plan. Whatever you do, you should be working harder. Get to a place where you are so committed to becoming the better and best version of yourself that you are willing to throw down almost every time you exercise. And I say almost because there's certainly room for slower days where you're going to go do yoga or whatever it is. But when you're strength training, you should be grunting, right? You should be lifting weights that challenge your body. You're not just swinging around the old 5-pound dumbbell, looking around, wondering if anyone's looking at you. No, you pick up those weights, those kettlebells, those medicine balls, those whatever else is there. You pick them up with intention. You pick them up with bad intentions that you are going to get better, right? You're not toning. Toning doesn't exist. Toning isn't a thing. Either you are getting stronger or you are not. Pick a choice, right? Your choice is to get stronger. That means you choose resistance levels that are going to make you grunt by the time you hit repetition number 8 and are going to make you stop by the time you hit rep number 10. You got that? So you're working harder. When it comes to cardio, crank it up a notch. Try a different machine. Try a different activity. Something that's going to make you huff and puff is a thing that's going to make your heart and lungs better. Don't get into this comfy, wumpy thing where you go walking your dog and you know what Joey says, walk your dogs. Definitely walk your dog. However, those dog walks are for your dogs. When you are exercising, you have to be committed to your fitness, something that makes you work harder. Now, no offense, Joey, but Joey can't keep up with his mom. He can't do the things I want to do. So I walk him and then I go do my workout, right? So why don't consider walking him something that's going to make me better? It's active, it's outdoors, it's great company, we're having a good time. But when I want to get better, when I want my heart and lungs stronger, I'm going to ride a bike or go swimming or go running, or I'm going to get on that rotating staircase. You want to suck wind? Get on the rotating staircase at the gym. Whoo! Yeah, is it hard? Hell yes, it is. Even if you can only do it for 2 minutes because it's so hard, it's going to make you better. If you live near a stadium, I live near the University of Florida football stadium, the Swamp. You want your heart and lungs to beat out of your chest. You want to have sore glutes and sore quads and calves for a couple of days. You go to the stadium and you go up and you go down and you go up and you go down until your body says, cut it out. And then you go back a few days later and try it again. So push yourself. When you're balance training, I mean, again, I love it when people brush their teeth on one foot, but when that's not enough, get on one foot and play catch. Get on one foot and then have a boxing match. I don't know. Do something that makes you wobble. That will make you better. And the same thing goes for stretching. You don't want to be outrageous and tear a muscle, but you should be trying to make progress. We're not stretching just to maintain what we have. Stretch to do better. So stop roaming around. Stop being aimless. Have a goal. When you show up to exercise, know what you're trying to accomplish and then push the envelope. You don't have to be what all the other people are, but aim to get 1% better every single time you work out. You got that? Work harder. I know what you're capable of, and it's much more than anything and everything you're doing today. Everything you can be better at. So do it, because I love you. All right, folks, if you haven't done so yet, hit subscribe wherever you listen to my podcast, and then Spotify, Apple Music, Podbean, wherever you listen, they will send you a notification that says Fitz has released a new podcast. She's saying blah, blah, blah. And you should tune in. I love you so much. Get to work. Bye, team. Mwah.
Hi, this is Rudy Novotny, the voice of America's Marathons. We all love how much running has benefited every aspect of our lives, so much so that most of us only wish we'd started sooner. Wouldn't it be wonderful to gift the opportunity to children of today? Well, you can. The Morning Mile is a before-school walking and running program that gives children a chance to start each day in an active way while enjoying fun, music, and friends. That's every child, every day. It's also supported by a wonderful system of rewards, which keeps students highly motivated and frequently congratulated. Created by our favorite fitness expert, Fitz Kohler, Morning Milers across the country have run over 2 million miles and are having greater success with academics, behavior, and sports because of it. The Morning Mile is free to the child, free to the school, and is inexpensively funded by businesses or generous individuals. Help more kids get moving in the morning by visiting morningmile.com. Champion the program at your favorite school or find out more about sponsorship opportunities. That's morningmile.com. Long may you run.